and you remove this. And then after that, you want to take off your screen, the front holding your screen together. You want to take this off. Just remove this. And that's off now. Then you have bolts here that you want to untie, and then you have not bolts, you have screws here that you want to untie, and then there and there, and then you remove your screen. We're going to do that quickly. So we're going to quickly take this off. And take that one off. So it's those two screws, and you have your 3 on this side, 3 on this side. They look like this. And basically, because mine broke off this side, you would have done the same thing on this side. So you would have had your 3 bolts there, and then you would have removed them, and that's how you. Okay, so basically you have your Wi-Fi card that you should also unclip. So I'm just going to do that quickly. So you just want to remove this. And that's how you remove your motherboard section with your keyboard from your screen. And now you can basically replace your screen. And this is your wires going to your camera, but usually you can just take this off. Usually you can just take this off, and then it has the same input, almost the same input, and then just take this wire out, and then that's how you replace your screen. So these are all connected to your camera and your mic, and that's how you remove your screen, and that's how you usually replace your LCD as well. So that was a quick tutorial on how to remove your LCD and how to replace it. Or even if you want to replace your cover with a new one, maybe that's how you replace it.